give you a quick tour of our new TimeBank app. It allows you to track employee time off, set up PTO policies for if you need any restricted dates, has a simple approval workflow, see everyone's time at a glance, whether you're in HR, a manager, or the actual employee, and also to coordinate your workforce to ensure proper coverage. Here on the home page, the user that's logged in can see their current time off, what they've used, what they've had, and what's left. It automatically updates as new time is taken off. It also allows you to see requests that you've put in, that they're submitted and pending approval from your manager, and also ones that you've started but have not completed. I can also see our out of office calendars so that you can quickly see who's out on vacation right as soon as you need to. Here we are with a new request. Automatically knows who you are. You can submit based on, I can put in that I was out sick last week, 13th for 1 day. Save it. Things that need approval will go to your manager. Sick days don't need approval, they're in the past, typically. All the other ones, your manager will get notified. As a manager, I can go to my manager's dashboard. All of these things here are security trimmed, so you'll only see what you have permission to. I can see my requests in process, don't have any right now, my employees that are under me that I'm managing, and all of my past requests. I can also see who's scheduled of my staff, who's got time off already scheduled, so that as I'm approving requests, I can quickly see if I need more coverage and need to restrict who's taking time off. If I'm in HR, I can see all of the requests, past requests, staff records, all time off that's been approved, and manage restricted dates. You can also look at the employees and an overall list of all the employees and their individual requests. So it's very simple to allow employees to quickly see their time and manage it all on their own.